Hey everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Janie. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to say family members in Spanish, from grandparents to baby. I will be saying it once in English, then 3 times in Spanish slowly to help you with the pronunciation of the word. Don't forget to hit that like button and forward this video to anyone you know could use this in their Spanish learning. Ready? Let's get started. Grandpa, abuelo, abuelo, abuelo. Grandma, abuela, abuela, abuela. Mother, mamá, mamá, mamá. Father, papá, papá, papá. Uncle, tío, tío, tío. Aunt, tía, tía, tía. Brother-in-law, cuñado, cuñado, cuñado. Sister-in-law, cuñada, cuñada, cuñada. Son, hijo, hijo, hijo. Daughter, hija, hija, hija. Son-in-law, yerno, yerno, yerno. Boy cousin, primo, primo, primo. Girl cousin, prima, prima, prima. Nephew, sobrino, sobrino, sobrino. Niece, sobrina, sobrina, sobrina. Grandson, nieto, nieto, nieto. Granddaughter, nieta, nieta, nieta. Baby, bebe, bebe, bebe. Great job! You now know what your family members are called in Spanish. Now go out and show your family your Spanish. Also, don't forget to like this video and comment down below what you would like to learn next. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you could be notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, have a beautiful day.